Welcome to another episode of Did I Sculpt It or Do We Scrap It? I've been having so much fun doing all these different types of devil fruit that I wanted to continue with another one of my favorite straw hats, which is Nico Robin. So I decided to do her flower fruit just because it's so pretty with all the petals and everything. This is my attempt at it. Please let me know if you want another devil fruit in the comments.